What you doing, Cars? What you doing?
Driving.
Driving what?
A golf cart.
Okay, slow down a minute. We're missing somebody. Let's wait and let her get over the bump. See how she does. We're taking a movie of you. Okay, let's go. Through the forest.
What?
Where are you taking us?
To the forest.
And what will we do?
To the catfish and catch minnows.
What will you put the minnows in?
A jar.
Will you keep them or turn them back loose later?
Turn back loose.
Okay, here we go. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.